surprised that actually wanted to go to the Tofu Rocks, and I get up to the station, but surprisingly these guys told me that it's just right ahead. So we're going to take a walk there. So it's a very quiet day today. It's a Monday afternoon. I'm just checking out from the Google that it takes like 12 minutes. Just wonder where is everybody, because well, if you guys are wondering where I am, I'm in actually in Taiwan, Hsinchu, which is like kind of like a very busy technological city. But check out if everyone is probably working, because it's about Monday afternoon. It's about 3 p.m. and the weather is pretty warm and humid here. This is a very interesting street because I've been walking for like 10 minutes and I have not seen really a lot of people walking in the streets. It's kind of interesting for a day like this. So I think we can barely make out those rocks, the Tofu Rocks. It's really a long walk from where I was under this really hot sun. But yes, I think it's worth the effort, because you can kind of check it out. There it is. So let's get down closer and check it out. Let's go. Oh, seriously, I don't know whether it's the right path to share this, violating any laws or whatever. But seems like there is a pavement that leads to the Tofu Rocks. Right over here. Amazing. It's a car seat right over here. Wow. Alright, check it out, guys. There's those rocks over there, the Tofu Rocks, that I claim to be like, oh my god. Look at these mega structures that these Tofu Rocks are actually like a water breaker kind of thing. I have no idea where this water came from, but probably it's like a river, so it goes through like a man-made structure, like a waterfall stuff. So you actually slow down the water and kind of break the waterways like that. Alright, guys, we're here finally. I'm glad I made it because it's like kind of it's a long way from where I am. It took me like about 30 minutes, 30, and it's definitely worth it. And if you've not been to this place, I recommend that you guys take a walk and check it out, but be very careful. So here you are at the Tofu Rocks, and why is it named the Tofu Rock? Just like what you see here, like a piece of tofu being cut. Whoever got this great idea of making this rock look like tofu, I'll give him the credit, because it's really amazing and, well, serve its purpose and looks delicious. So see you guys again and next time, and remember to check back on more videos like this. And so hope you subscribe to my channel and like this video. And remember to share. Bye.